Hey there, cyber explorers. Welcome back to another video where we make the complex world of cybersecurity super simple and fun. Today, we're cracking open a classic topic that confuses a lot of beginners: the OSI model versus the TCP IP model. You've probably heard both terms tossed around, but what do they actually mean? And why should you care? Think of the internet like a package delivery service. You send a message from your device, and it travels through several checkpoints before it reaches its destination. These models are like the blueprints that explain how those checkpoints work. Let's start with the OSI model. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection, and it's a conceptual model with 7 layers. Picture a 7-layer cake. Each layer has a specific role. From top to bottom, you've got application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. These layers help standardize how devices communicate so that different systems can talk to each other without getting lost in translation. Now, the TCP IP model is the real-world version that we actually use on the internet. It's simpler and has only 4 layers: application, transport, internet, and network access. It combines some of the OSI layers to make things more practical for real-life networking. So how do they compare? The OSI model is more of a teaching tool. It's great for understanding the theory behind networking. The TCP IP model, on the other hand, is the blueprint we actually follow when we send data across networks like the internet. It's like comparing a detailed recipe to the actual dish you cook at home. Here's a quick example. Let's say you're sending an email. With the OSI model, each layer adds a piece to the puzzle: formatting the message, setting up a session, routing it, and finally zapping it out over the network. With TCP/IP, the same job gets done, but with fewer steps and more emphasis on getting the data from point A to B efficiently. Why does this matter in cybersecurity? Because understanding these models helps you pinpoint where things can go wrong. Whether it's a hacker exploiting the application layer or a misconfigured router at the network layer, knowing these layers helps you defend and troubleshoot smarter. So next time you hear someone mention the OSI or TCP IP model, you'll know exactly what they're talking about and why it matters. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time!